Job costing is a subset of specific order costing. In simple terms, it calculates manufacturing costs for a specific job inclusive of direct and indirect costs. This is done for single units or small batches. The phrase specific order costing is applicable where the work consists of separate contracts, jobs, or batches, each of which is authorized by a special order or contract. Job order costing ensures that the cost for each product is reasonable enough for a customer to purchase and also for the company to make profits. It involves looking at direct and indirect costs, and it's usually broken into three categories: labor, materials, and overhead. We would need these calculations for job costing. Predetermined overhead rate is calculated by dividing estimated overhead by estimated activity. Total job cost is derived by adding direct materials, direct labor, and applied overheads. Here is a job cost sheet sample that contains entries on material, labor, direct expenses, and overheads. You have fields to enter the job number, job description in some forms, department if it's internal, date of initiation of job, which is commencement, the start date, date of completion of the job, number of units completed, and date of delivery. You have fields also to enter direct material cost, direct labor cost, and manufacturing overheads. With these in place, it's easy to calculate the total cost and then the unit cost of production. Some forms will have space to add names of cost accountants, production managers, and for the person who checks and verifies the receipt. You might also want to check out another video of mine on calculating job costing. Happy learning!